Hello students, today we will learn treatment of specific fund. सबसे पहले we will understand what do we mean by specific fund. Specific fund वो अमाउंट है जो हम सेट असाइड रखते हैं एक नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, और इस अमाउंट को सेट असाइड रखने का पर्पस स्पेसिफिक है. दैट मीन्स ऑलरेडी वी हैव स्पेसिफाइड द पर्पस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट बिल्डिंग फंड, building fund can only be used for construction or repair of building only. Tournament fund can only be used for tournament. Match fund, it can only be used for arranging a match or match expenses. So these are specific funds. These funds are shown on the liability side of balance sheet. और जब इन स्पेसिफिक फंड से हमें कोई इनकम जनरेट होती है, that income is credited to this specific fund. That means added. स्पेसिफिक फंड से रिलेटेड इनकम स्पेसिफिक फंड में ऐड होगी और स्पेसिफिक फंड से रिलेटेड एक्सपेंसेस स्पेसिफिक फंड में से सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा. Now we'll understand it with the help of numericals. Let us take our first case. Case number 1. We are given prize fund. हमें प्राइज फंड गिवन है 2 लाख रुपीस का. Further donation received is 50,000 related to this prize fund only, and prize is awarded. इसमें से हमने प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए which is an expense for rupees 45,000. Now we have to deal with these items and how they will be treated while preparation of final accounts in a not-for-profit organization. As I told, specific fund relates to balance sheet. It is shown on the liability side of balance sheet. तो सबसे पहले हम प्राइस फंड लिखेंगे 2 लाख का. उससे related income, that is donation received, will be added 50,000 and expenses will be subtracted 45,000. After making all the adjustment, the final amount that we will get is rupees 2,05,000. This is a basic question related to the fund. I hope it is clear. Moving to our next slide. Case 2. When expenses related to specific fund are more than the amount of specific fund. आपके पास specific fund में amount कम है जबकि उससे related expenses ज्यादा हैं. What we will do in that case? See, जितना fund available है उतना ही आप expense fund में से minus कर सकते हो. Then what we will do with the remaining balance? The remaining balance will be transferred to the debit side of income and expenditure account. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Case 2, prize fund beta हमें given है 2 lakh rupees. Donation given है 10,000. Prize awarded are 2,45,000. We can see, अगर हम इस fund और इस amount of donation को add करते हैं, it will turn up to rupees 2,10,000. But the amount of expense is 2,45,000. Then how much amount can we subtract from fund? We cannot subtract more than 2,10,000. That means in that case, the balance in our balance sheet will become nil. What about the remaining balance of 35,000? It will be shown on the debit side of income and expenditure account. Let us see the steps. Balance sheet. On liability side, we will write price fund 2 lakh. We will add donation 10,000. Expenses, although expenses are 2,45,000, but we cannot subtract more than 2,10,000 क्योंकि हमारे पास फंड ही जो टोटल अमाउंट रिसीव्ड जो पड़ा हुआ है बैलेंस दैट इज 2,10,000. That means the balance that we will show in our balance sheet is nil. Now we will prepare income and expenditure account. On the expenditure side, we will show price awarded. और ये बैलेंस कैसे निकलेगा? आपका टोटल खर्चा 2,45,000 का है. जिसमें से आपके पास यहाँ स्पेसिफिक फंड में अवेलेबल 2,10,000 है। उस 2,10,000 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद what amount is left to be reflected on the debit side of income and expenditure account? It is 35,000. I hope this question is clear. Moving to next question. When specific fund balance is zero, that means we are not given any fund. We are not given any specific fund, but let's say expenses are given. Like मैंने बोला, ज्यादातर एग्जाम्पल जो हमारे पास आएंगे बेटा फंड के, स्पेसिफिक फंड के, they are match fund or they are prize fund, pavilion fund and building fund. What if these funds are not there, but we are having match expenses, or we are having prize awarded, or we are having expenses related to pavilion or building expenses, repair and maintenance of building, although we don't have any fund? In that case, agar fund nahi hai, this amount will be directly debited to income and expenditure account. Let's in this case number 3, prize fund balance is zero, or we can say there is no information about prize fund, but we are given prize awarded during the year amounting to rupees 45,000. Now, how will it be treated at the time of preparation of final accounts of a not-for-profit organization? We will prepare income and expenditure account, and on the debit side of income and expenditure account, that is expenditure side, we will show prize awarded rupees 45,000. I hope this case is clear. Coming to our next case, where in prize fund balance is given 2 lakh, further duration is given 50, prize awarded are given 45,000. Now we are also given prize fund investment. हो सकता है फंड का बहुत सारा पैसा आ गया and firm does not want कि ये money liquidate हो जाए, and they have freeze this amount by investing in a particular fund investment related to this prize fund only. So they transfer this amount to prize fund investment, on which interest will be given. As we all know, investment carries certain rate of return, which is termed as interest. So what will happen when we are having specific fund investments as well? सबसे पहले हम बैलेंस शीट बनाएंगे. लाइबिलिटी साइड में वी विल राइट प्राइज फंड, उससे रिलेटेड डोनेशन 50,000 जो रिसीव हुई है वो ऐड हो जाएगी. प्राइज अवॉर्डेड आर एक्सपेंसेस, दे विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. इंटरेस्ट ऑन प्राइज फंड will be added in prize fund only, because this interest on prize fund investment relates, it is an income relating to the specific fund only, इसलिए हम इसे यहाँ पर add करेंगे specific fund में, that means prize fund में. So the final amount will be 2 lakh plus 50, 2 lakh 50 plus 20, 2 lakh 70, 2 lakh 70 minus 45, it is 2 lakh 25,000. We all know investment is an asset, that is why it will be reflected on the asset side of balance sheet. और कितना अमाउंट आएगा बेटा? 2 लाख रुपीस. हमने इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट किया कि कुछ अमाउंट एक्रूड तो नहीं है इंटरेस्ट का. जब हमने 2 लाख के इन्वेस्टमेंट के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट किया 10%, द अमाउंट इज 20,000 ओनली. दिस 20,000 इज द अमाउंट which is an income related to a specific fund. That is why it is added in specific fund, that is prize fund only. I hope this question is clear. कुछ नया नहीं किया है. जो भी specific fund है उससे related income उसमें add की है, expenses subtract किए हैं. Even this income relate to this prize fund only, that is why it is added. Investment it is an asset, that is why it is shown on the asset side of balance sheet. Coming to our next case, case number 5. Prize fund beta is given 2 lakh. Further donation is given 50,000. Prize awarded, which are expenses, are 45,000. 10% का प्राइज फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट जो हमने किया है, दैट इज 2 लाख. इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड इज 15,000. जबकि अगर हम इंटरेस्ट यहाँ कैलकुलेट करते हैं 2 लाख का 10%, इट शुड स्टैंड एट ₹20. दैट मीन्स 20,000 का इंटरेस्ट टोटल बनता है, 15 रिसीव हो गया, दैट मीन्स रिमेनिंग 5,000 इज accrued balance. Let's see how it will be done. Prize fund balance is 2 lakh. Donation added 50. Expense of prize awarded 45. Interest on prize fund. देखो हमें total interest ही यहाँ transfer करना है. This interest include both interest received as well as interest accrued. यानी टोटल इंटरेस्ट जो हमारा बनता है करंट ईयर का, वो टोटल अमाउंट हमारा प्राइस फंड में ऐड होगा. तो अगर हम 2 लाख का 10% इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करते हैं, स्टैंड 20,000 इवन दो वी हैव रिसीव्ड 15,000. So the final balance is 2 lakh 50 minus 45, 2 lakh 5 plus 20, 2 lakh 25. Price fund investment 2 lakh आएगा. Now this is an adjustment, hidden adjustment, which shows accrued interest. Accrued interest कैसे कैलकुलेट हुआ बेटा? आपके पास प्राइस फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट गिवन है 2 लाख, जिसके ऊपर इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट होगा 10%, विच विल स्टैंड एट 20,000. रिसीव 15,000, क्या अक्रूड कितना है 5. यानी यहां पर इस इंटरेस्ट में 15 जो हमें रिसीव हुआ है प्लस 5,000 जो हमारा अक्रूड है, जो हमें रिसीव होना है पर अभी रिसीव नहीं हुआ है, उनका सम total interest we have reflected. Now what about this remaining 5,000? It is also an asset because this amount of income is yet to be received. Therefore, it will be shown on the asset side of balance sheet. Coming to our next case, case number 6, wherein we are given asset under construction related to this specific fund. एसेट क्रिएट हो रही है और उसका अमाउंट ऑफ एक्सपेंस जो है दैट विल बी यूज्ड फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर फंड अवेलेबल. सी पेविलियन फंड इज गिवन 2 lakh. डोनेशन रिलेटेड टू इट इज गिवन 50. पेविलियन फंड expenses related to pavilion fund only are 45,000. It might be related to upkeep of pavilion. Then 10% rate of interest on pavilion fund investment when investment amount to rupees 2 lakh. That means if we will calculate interest on this pavilion fund investment, it will stand at rupees 20,000. Interest received on pavilion fund investment is 20,000 only. That means the whole amount is received. Pavilion under construction, that means asset under construction, work in progress, is 50,000. From where this 50,000 will be used? This 50,000 will be used from pavilion fund if available. And it leads to capital formation as well because assets create area. That means somewhere it will affect capital fund as well. Now we will see how it will be dealt while preparing the balance sheet of the net not-for-profit organization. Balance sheet on liability side. First of all, what we will write? Pavilion fund, which stands at rupees 2 lakh. Then we will add donation of 50,000. Expenses related to upkeep of pavilion, 45,000 will be subtracted. Interest on pavilion fund, 20,000 as calculated. 10% of 2 lakh will be 20,000 will be added in pavilion fund. Pavilion fund investment as it is an asset will be shown on the asset side of balance sheet amounting to rupees 2 lakh. अगर हम इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करते हैं इस प्राइस फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट के ऊपर, वो 20,000 ही स्टैंड होता है जो हमने लाइबिलिटी साइड में ऐड किए पेविलियन फंड में. दैट मींस देयर इज नो अक्रूड बैलेंस. नाउ पेविलियन अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन, as I told, it is an expense which will be used from pavilion fund. So the final balance that we will stand in pavilion fund is 1,75,000 after adjusting pavilion under construction. Now this asset is under construction, so it will be reflected on the asset side of balance sheet as well, amounting to rupees 50,000, which is also leading to capital formation. इसलिए capital fund में भी add होगा pavilion under construction 50,000. The final balance of capital fund at the end of the year will be 10,50,000. I hope this case is clear. Moving to our next case. Again, we are given pavilion fund of rupees 2 lakh. Further donation 50,000 जो receive हुई है वो add हो जाएगी. Expenses 45,000 subtract होंगे. Interest on pavilion fund. See, it's very important to calculate the amount of interest which stands at rupees 20,000. अगर हम 2 लाख का 10% करते हैं, but कितना amount हमें interest का receive हुआ 12,000. As in my previous slide also I told you that interest on a specific fund include received amount as well as accrued amount. तो रिसीव कितना हो गया बेटा 12,000 और accrued कितना है 8,000. So the total amount will be added in the pavilion fund standing at rupees 20,000. Now again we are given pavilion under construction. As I told you, pavilion is being constructed which is under construction. तो ये जो expense है pavilion को construct करने का, it will be utilized, it will be spent from this pavilion fund only. So we will subtract it. Pavilion fund investment 2 lakh की asset side आएगी. We will subtract pavilion under construction. It is creation of an asset. Therefore, it will be shown on the asset side of balance sheet. Also, it is leading to capital formation. इसलिए capital में add होकर 50,000 rupees आएगा. Also, अभी मैंने आपको बताया pavilion fund के ऊपर interest calculate हो रहा है, जिसमें से 8,000 का amount accrued है. So this will be shown on the asset side of balance sheet as well. I hope all these cases are clear. Coming to our last case, case number 8, where general fund is given. General fund means a fund which is kept aside and could be used for any purpose. और हमने जनरल फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट भी किया हुआ है 2 लाख का और इस पर इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है 20,000. हाउ इट विल बी डेल्ट? General fund, because it is a fund, it will be shown on the liability side of balance sheet, rupees 2 lakh. General fund investment is an asset, therefore it will be shown on the asset side of balance sheet, 2 lakh. But general fund investment के ऊपर जो interest मिल रहा है, it is not a specific income. It is a general income. That is why it will be shown on the credit side of income and expenditure amounting to rupees 20,000. I hope with this, all the cases of specific funds are clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected.